my god, I just woke up guys, so that's my eyes. Sila na sa itulog guys. Oh my god, what's that? And then, here are my classmates. They're doing, handicraft. Yes, I'm going to like, compliment. Tadan! So, yeah. Her also my classmate guys.
313.
They're in coding. Here, I can say hi, babe. Hi, say hi, MJ.
Hi.
So, here's my other two classmates doing their encoding. What can you say? What can you say, Sis Naros? What can you say? Nag-flex, wow. Lagi kilig si Shella, nag-flex si Sis Naros. Wala na, oy. Oh my god, Abigail is dead. Dead knockout din. Sila na sad guys, so my eyes were, my god, nakimuta. Whenever I see boys and girls, say hi to my... Gusto mo, nabata ka lang sila, Hage. So, we're gonna put this here. Ikaw mo ba Gago ka ba? Lagi siya guys, post it there. Yeah. That's my beloved classmates. Oh,
Ipakita kong pie.
where's the pie, guys? Yeah. Ay, ako yung Ako mag-promote. I'm gonna promote that later. Dapat manggod, nandun siya. Ako ka-enthusiast lang ko sa mga business. So like, nasa yung mga flavorings. Isa-isa. So here.
Promote mo na mo page.
Yes, pa. I'm gonna promote that. So here we are. Ambe God. Ambe.
Post na sabi mo.
I'm gonna post this. So they're doing. Ay, wait lang. Wait lang. Ay, mag-customize ko ah. Uy, ako sa ganina ba? Ever si Julia na ba ako? Uy, so dapat yan si Busa niya. Ayaw mo. Feeling ko na ako na naman. So, pero sila lang mga, uy, so dapat. We're with that. Uy, Philippines. Oh my God, I like your makeup right now. So, guys, hey! What's this? What flavor is this? This is mini donut keychain, which, what flavor is this? Dapat na siya mga flavor. Amo na lang na, blueberry mini donut keychain, guys, for only 25 pesos. So, just go to, Craft Corner by Janelle and Eliza. Next one. This one is the common style, but it's very cute, guys. This is cherry with a pearl. For only 15 pesos. So here the other one. This is lollipop. Colorful lollipop with also pearl in it. Yards. It's only 15 pesos also, guys. So they are working at my back while I will promoting the product itself. So here's the what do you call letter keychain. It's very obvious, but W.
Saan na nga ako? Letter.
It's W.
M.
Ay, it's M. Ano? M&M. Walawa, walawa. Ano naman yun? So, this is my workers.
Yawa, buntag sila. Yawa, matulog eh, magsulat.
Wala, honestly, tulog gabi na kami. Mami matulog. So, mga knockdown ng mga people, guys. So, let's continue. For only, how much is this? It's 15 pesos, everyone. And here we are for the mirrors. Yeah, it's very pretty. So, here's a B1. This is a mirror, B mirror. It's very cute. For only 35 pesos. It's very affordable, guys, for like students here in Compre. So, buy it na. Diba? Hintay. Ha? Cellphone. And here's the, I think, cartoon na siya. Cartoon character na eh. Cartoon character. So what? Ah, this is Sanrio characters pala, guys. So, the yellow. Yellow. So, wait lang. And then, oh my god, this is the green one. Oh my god, So, this is the green one, guys. It's very pretty talaga. Si Shrek. Ito Shrek din. So, like, it's very pretty. So, just buy it, guys. Buy it. Can I? Here. Wait lang. Kasi So, buy now, guys, or else, if you buy, your grades will be better. No. Is it that? So, guys, sorry. It's only 35 pesos, guys. Taran! Wait lang, bakit ka na tumatabon dyan? It's only 35 pesos. Okay, let's proceed to the other one. My classmates and friends are very creative. Here. This is also the mini donuts, guys. It has mini flavor. Mini donut with classification of This is choco butter. Ako yung magpangalan sa mga flavor. Nag-help ako sa promotion. This is choco butter donut. Yeah, it has filling in it, guys. This is a choco butter mini donut. For only 25 pesos, guys. It's very, made with love, effort, compassion, and love. This is also the choco butter donut. This is the blueberry donut. This is the, what do you call this one? The flavor net. It's a pinky mini donut, guys, with sprinkles on it. Oh, bye. So, pamanay. Wala na nagdare?
pretzels.
Oh, there's pretzels. Where? Oh my god. Huwag pa siya naman, pero as you can see, it's already shaped as okay. Ay, sorry Lord. Cut ko na yun. Cut ko na yun. Add to cart. Walang add to cart dito, guys. Just buy it. Because if you will buy, your grades will be better. No, I won't kiss anyone. What's this one? It's pretty. Oh my god. Another mirror, guys. It's red cherry kinamaru. Cherry on top mirror. I'm gonna promote this like And oh my god, it's for lovers good. Panda ba to? Panda to siya. Ito niyo siya. As you can see, it's very pretty, guys. For only 35 pesos. For, for makeup, ganun.
Kailangan ka siya.
Yun lang yung mapapromote natin for today's video. So, are we that good? Nakati yung mata Judas in, like as in.
Next, managwan ang clip ni Janelo.
Hi! This is the most special one. This is a hair clip, guys. As you can see, it's pink hair clip. For those pink lover guys out there, or you can customize any color, any design. Same design but different color. You can customize it by them, of course. For only what? Talaga niya customize. 25 pesos ang customize, guys. So, let's put it. Oh my God, Ma'am Kasha is here! Oh my God, Ma'am Kasha, don't go! Ma'am Kasha, don't go in!
Bali ba na?
Ay, saan na siya pag... Ay, no! Bobo yard! Ma'am! You want, ma'am, na may hair clip, ma'am, for only 25 pesos. 25 ba? Ah, ma'am, na may mirror! Ma'am! Ma'am, we have mirror, ma'am. Mirror, oh. Awa, ma'am. It's very cutie. Cutesy lang alating. Alin, ma'am Cash? Ay. Ma'am, pili lang din, ma'am.
Hi guys, kulang ka din.
Ay, magbabanda ang advisor.
Dalakan.
So, I like it proud of it. So, guys, our work immersion teacher is here. Cashier M. Biano. Ma'am, kitsi-kitsi siya, ma'am. Dahan kayo madali, ma'am. Pag-hiro pang lalaki, guys. Sapat ko. Ma'am, pwede na mag-customize, ma'am, if you like. Gay, ma'am, namin mga mirror, ma'am.
Wala lagi itong purple na mirror.
Purple na mirror? Ma'am, your favorite color is purple? Ah, same. Wait lang, natin... wala to.
Ibalit sa lagyan na.
Ipalit yan. Kada.
Katong daghang bulak. Jamunin. Katong daghang bulak.
Oh my God, Cheyenne Miss Week! Cheyenne just woke up. Girl, posing ka, girl. So, Ma'am Cash, kasi ba daw ka? Pusong, Ma'am, alit, Ma'am! Hello, girl! Ma'am, pili lang na rin, Ma'am. Leverage dyan.
Ay, mag-imo ko.
Ala, cute sila mga clip dive.
Nay.
My God, magalit ko na niya.
Wala may ko.
Bang sayang, tulog. Ano yan? Yes, so, out of 5 person, ay, wala na si Riz. O, nasaba-saba mo kayo, nakamata ko. Riz, woke up na. Wake up, dahil woke up, bobo. Bobo yarn. Nag-past tense agad. Bobo yarn. Oh my god, they're slaving guys. So, wala na ka mag-promote. So, let's proceed to photo shoot. Ah, ate. So, yeah. Imong photo gamitin for pictures or should I... photo sa akin.
Ay, seryoso, yun na siya mag-promote siya. Seryoso, lagi yan.
Uy!
Ay, nung nagara-gara pa!
Excuse you! I'm serious guys with supporting my friends.
Ikaw, yung picture.
I am phone. Yung phone. So guys, we're gonna. Okay, may itatag panapton sa background. So, we will be back.